Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to get a receipt from SpotHero. So if you need proof of payment for work, reimbursement, or your personal records, then just follow along. First, open the SpotHero app and then sign into your account. Next, tap on My Reservations and then select the completed reservation for which you need a receipt. Then open the reservation details and look for the option to review receipt, email receipt, or download receipt depending on your version of the app. And if the receipt is available, you can save it or send it to your email. You can also log into your SpotHero account on the website where your reservation history and receipts may be available. And if you still can't find your receipt, contact SpotHero support through your reservation number and they can help provide a copy. So that was how to get a receipt from SpotHero. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.